Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually get money from Splitwise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna go ahead, open up our app up over here in our mobile phone. Then let's say in the friends section we can already see who owes us how much we are about to pay. You can see the overall is 600 over here. And now if you would like to change it, you're going to go ahead, tap on if there's a person over here. Let's say this is the one, or we can go to group section. If you, let's say we have added expense over here, we can go ahead, check it out as well. Let's say we have added expenses outside, so let's say this is the person we owe this much. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, tap on if this person's amount over here. We're going to go tap on this plus icon. We're going to tap on this settle app option given above. You can see now we have tapped the settle app option. You can see this, that particular user has paid you this amount. Once we tap on the save option, this will clear out that debt that they owed us. Now you can see, you can go ahead, refresh it, and you can see that person does not owe us anymore. We have got our remaining money right there. So this is the way for you guys to earn money. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.